Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ford Ranger. Start by gathering paper, pencils, eraser, and a ruler, then place a clear reference photo nearby. Lightly sketch the basic rectangles and circles that form the cab, bed, wheels, and windows. Check proportions often and adjust shapes before adding details. Keep strokes loose, focus on overall form, and remember that corrections are part of the process. Establishing correct proportions makes the Ford Ranger look convincing on paper. Measure the wheelbase, cabin length, and bed height with light guideline marks to keep parts in scale. Draw the wheels as ellipses that match your perspective and place them before adding body panels. Align the top of the windows and grille using horizontal guides and constantly compare each part to your reference to maintain balance and accuracy. Now bring your Ranger to life with confident detailing and shading. Refine the grille, headlights, badges, and bumper edges, keeping lines clean and purposeful. Add door seams, mirror shapes, and trim to enhance realism, then introduce shading from light to dark to show curvature and reflections. Use an eraser for highlights on chrome and glass, and step back to assess contrast until the truck reads as a cohesive, believable vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.